Want to save battery life or prefer using 3G instead of 4G on your iPhone? Turning off 4G is easy. Hi, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to turn off 4G on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Cellular Settings. Tap on the Cellular Data Options. Tap on the Voice and Data option. Finally, you will see different network options. Select 3G to turn off 4G and switch to 3G. And this is how you can turn off 4G on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.